In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to report Spectrum outage. Let's get started. First, open the Spectrum outage map on Spectrum or use the Spectrum mobile app and enter your address or zip code to check if there is already a known outage in your area. If an outage is confirmed, the map will usually show the severity of the issue along with an estimated time for service restoration. If no outage appears but the internet is still not working, you can report it directly through the app, and in some cases you may even be able to upload photos to help verify the problem. Another option is to contact Spectrum customer support by calling the official number that is mentioned in their website. However, using the app or website is usually faster and more convenient for most users. Spectrum also provides notification tools where you can sign up for alerts via email, SMS, or app notifications so you are instantly updated about outages in your area. Behind the scenes, Spectrum uses network monitoring systems along with AI and machine learning to detect and manage outages more efficiently, and they aim to resolve most reported issues within 24 hours. So this way you are able to report Spectrum Internet outage. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.